Good morning. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Welcome to my kitchen. I am putting together a smoothie, and I'm going to put it together ahead of time so I'll have it ready to drink when I'm ready to drink it, whether that be for lunch or breakfast. But I wanted to show y'all what I was doing. I have, I think, the beginning stages of rheumatoid arthritis. So I've been trying to look up recipes that would be tasty, that would also help with inflammation. So I'm going to put together my rendition of a mango pineapple smoothie with ginger. I'm going to peel this ginger and get me a little piece off. Save some for later. And I'm going to put that into my blender. I'm going to get 2 little pieces, actually. I like ginger. Some people don't. But I do know from what I've read that ginger is very good anti-inflammatory. I would love to know from you guys, when you see this feed, I would love to know what y'all do for inflammation of the joints, whether it's RA or not. I'm gonna put some pineapple in this one with the juice. And then I'm going to peel a mango. Let's see, this one's probably riper. Well, I said I was going to peel a mango. There we go. And I'm going to cube this and put that in my smoothie as well. It's getting kind of slick. Okay. Where's my other knife? You know how you have your favorite knives. This one's in the dishwasher, which is clean. And I'm not certain the proper way to peel a mango and dice it, but this is the Lisa way, which is hopefully I'll get what I need off of it without cutting myself. I think that's about got it. Okay, here's where it gets a little bit wonky for me. I am not a person that loves celery. I love, you know, I don't mind the taste, the flavor of celery, but I do not enjoy, and I'm gonna wash this, I do not enjoy the texture of celery. I am a dental hygienist by trade, and all those strings in between my teeth drive me crazy. So I'm just gonna get the heads off of these, and I'm gonna put a handful of the heads of the celery into this smoothie. Okay, now I'm gonna pour some coconut, unsweetened coconut water, or milk. I think it's coconut milk. I'm gonna pour about a cup in here. And then I'm going to give it a spin. Excuse me. Give it a stir. Get it moving. Get to moving. There we go. Okay, let's give this a taste. And I think what I'm going to do with the rest of it is freeze it in a Tupperware. Pineapple mango. Okay, that's really good. And I do not taste celery in it. Thank you, Lord. And I like the consistency. Let me turn y'all around. We'll chat a minute. Okay. I had an appointment to get my hair colored, and then I went by my favorite coffee shop in Burlington, which is Salvation Coffee. My friend owns it. They do a great job with their roasting of their beans, and their stuff is always good. I may save some more of that for later, for afternoon coffee time, because I'm pretty jacked up now. I don't need any more caffeine, but I'll just put it in the refrigerator and have it for later. Let's see what everybody's saying. I would love to know, for you guys that know about inflammatory diseases, what do you make sure that you have every day in your food that helps with inflammation? Because honestly, turmeric capsules from the health food store are very helpful with inflammation. Okay, Opa, I'm going to remember that. I'm going to get me some of those, because here's the deal. Like, I've been canning for 2 days, and I don't know if y'all can see it, but I have these bumps coming up on my hands. And this morning when I got up, my hands hurt in between my fingers. It hurt, not to where I had to take medicine, but I just noticed that it was sore. Let me get a washcloth. My hands are sticky. Anyway, in between my toes, the balls of my feet are sore today. And I've been up a lot on my feet, don't get me wrong. And I understand, you know, the concept of that if you're doing a lot and not resting much, castor oil helps with inflammation. Yeah, I love this information. You guys are such a plethora of knowledge on this vlog. So please tell me, because I'm willing, ready, and able, because I don't like feeling bad. And I don't feel terrible, like to where I'm going to take to the bed today, although I am going to rest today. But after canning for 2 days, my joints are sore. And I've used my hemp cream, and that helps with my sore joints. But today is going to be a day of rest for me. That's really good. I'm going to freeze the rest of this and scoop it out and have it for dessert tonight before I go to bed. I'm a dessert girl. I am. I'll tell you a funny story. This morning, when I got up, my husband was already up and in the kitchen getting himself, I think he had cereal. Anyway, he said, "Are you trying to kill me?" And I said, "What?" Because I get up in a good mood usually. I was like, "What?" And he said, "That milk is a week old and it's spoiled." Well, I didn't tell my husband this, but last night about 11 o'clock, I got up out of the bed and was wide awake for about an hour. And of course, I went to the refrigerator and got me a cup about this big of milk. And I proceeded to dip 6 Nutter Butters in the milk and eat every one of them. And then I drank all the milk. This morning, when he said that to me, I thought, No wonder my stomach doesn't feel right this morning. So I've had one of those mornings of upset stomach because I drank the sour milk, okay? So, it didn't kill me. And people get real sideways about that, like, what's the expiration date? And usually I'll use milk about 2 days past the expiration date because that's what a dairy farmer told me. But, woo, it did not agree with my system. Reduce sugar in your diet, and very important, sugar is a contributor to inflammation. Okay, I've read that, and I need to get on the board. I need to get on the no sugar train. Let me say less sugar, because I'm not a sugar-free person. I mean, I can order things sugar-free, but I'm saying this time of year we'll be making homemade ice cream, and I just know my lifestyle, but I can reduce the amount of sugar. But this is really good, y'all. You should give this a try. I'm going to enjoy this. Anyway, here's to you, to inflammation and the fighting of inflammation. I would love to know what y'all's thoughts are about it and what has worked for you. Please put that under this feed and help a sister out. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Happy Thursday. We'll see you soon. Bye now.